Let's see the voltage from the battery. .35. Let's see, let's start.
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing campervan. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
We need to start the engine, put the headlights. I think maybe you can see they are here. Put the front end here, and as you can see, I am still here at the same place. And it's February. Last time I think I was filming in September, and I was talking about I'm gonna move the van to a new location, but yeah, there was a few things that I did on this time, so I didn't really have time to move the van, and it wasn't ready to run, so, but yeah. Now I need to charge the battery so we can start the try to start the van, but I don't know really, because I remember it did the same thing last winter, and I thought that the problem was the fuel filter, because it had like it was almost full of water. And last summer I replaced the filter and run it. After that I took all the air out. But yeah, now it's some kind of issue in the winter, and that's not good. In the summer I think it started pretty quickly. I was hoping that it would start again, but it didn't start. Okay. I have the tester for the computer of the van. Okay. Connection. I can show you. I don't know if this is called OBD. But very similar. So I connect this one here, then I'm gonna connect the cable in here, and now I have the box in here. In this end we have a USB-A, so this we're gonna connect to the laptop. First I need to take the battery back so we can give some power for the Eco. The Eco have a number, like a code or something like that, so we need to know the Eco number. Okay, now I have the picture of the Eco that have my the code for the Eco, but so it's same that in the program, but it's still not connecting. Try again, because we have EDC16 and it's Bosch, so this should be the right one. So we need to have here online. I think this should be green. And now it's a no echo. Yeah, so it's not gonna connect. That's about that. Okay, so we didn't have any luck with the computer, but let's see if we can start this. Start this engine. Nope. But I need to hear the... I cannot hear the pump. I think there should be the pump. But I can't hear the pump. Something wrong. Oh, maybe the pump. So now we know the issue why it didn't start. There's so much water. I don't know why, but there is water in the fuel system from the tank to the fuel filter. We tried to get the air out of the system. We thought that it was some kind of problem with the tank, so it was empty or something like that, that the fuel cage or fuel lever in the tank, the sensor itself, was broken. But obviously it's not broken because I put like a 20 liter more diesel in. Now we are at half tank, so it gone up from quarter of tank to half tank, and we try to prime it in the filter body, but yeah, it didn't do anything. So I went under the van and I checked the pump was running, so it was okay. And then I checked the little filter, the pre-filter, and the filter was I saw that there is something. Then I tried to shake the filter, and then it was a little bit solid. And then I took the heat gun and gently I heat it up, and then I tried to wobble it again, and then I saw that okay, it's reacting like if you have water and diesel, you know, it's not mixing together, it's separated a little bit. So yeah, I saw that my lines were frozen. I took the fuel line and I just bend it a little bit, and then you can hear it cracking, so the ice was cracking inside. But I don't know how the hell did all the moisture go to the tank and to the system, because I run this engine. Yeah, I run it in September, so I need to wait for a warmer weather. Now it's about -3, and it's getting now -10 or -15 or more. It's now March, beginning of March, and yeah, I hope that it gets warmer so I can run all the moisture out from the system, so I can run the van But now I know the reason why it didn't start. So we need to wait the spring to come and give us some more heat. Yeah. So the winter is still here. Last time we tried to start the van without any luck, and it was the frozen fuel lines. I think they're full of water, or maybe I have the summer quality diesel that might be frozen also. But I think that it's the water in the lines that had frozen. But yeah, let's get the grill and the headlights back in. Go somewhere here, right? What do you think? A little bit rusty here, holes, and this is a little bit rusty as well. Cable for the bonnet. Yeah, there's like a 4 bolts, so 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. It's not too cold yet to work outside. It's about minus 1. And the lower one, I think I need the extension. Okay, so this one is secured. Now just the other side. Yeah, I think I got it. So the upper one is right here, but the lower one is quite deep under the headlight. So the bolt snapped off. The other one has snapped off as well. Now I have drilled these open. They have like a fixed nut in there. Let's see if I can open up the thread. Okay. That looks good. Now we can attach the new bolts in here, and just some copper paste, and we're ready to go. Copper paste in here, in the bolt. Same on the other bolt as well. Let's see. Let's see if we can do something with the wheel here. Well, obviously we don't have a wheel. This is frozen. van building at its best. Okay. I need to go inside and fix this. Let's go. Nothing. Oh. What the f? Device split.